Hello everyone. So Compose Multiplatform 1.8.0 released. Compose Multiplatform for iOS is stable and production ready. So today marks a major milestone in the Kotlin multi-platform journey, the release of Compose Multiplatform 1.8.0, which brings Compose for iOS to stable. With this update, Kotlin multi-platform becomes a complete solution for mobile development, enabling flexible code sharing both across business logic and UI without compromising app quality or losing control over platform specific capabilities. Everything you need to build apps for real world use. Compose multi-platform for iOS now includes everything you need to build beautiful UIs for real world apps. Feature parity with Jetpack Compose for all popular use cases. Type safe navigation with deep linking support. Flexible resource management. First class accessibility support with voiceover, assistive touch and full keyboard access, and more. Version 1.8.0 finalizes the core API surface and brings targeted improvements to accessibility and navigation, along with a wide range of bug fixes and performance improvements. See the detail in the 1.8.0 what's new. All major APIs are now officially stable with strong compatibility guarantees and minimal breaking changes expected in the future. This stable foundation is backed by a rapidly growing ecosystem. Jetpack libraries are adopting multi-platform capabilities and the community continues to contribute high-quality libraries covering everything from architecture and dependency injection to image loading and graph rendering, all listed on klibs.io, the official multi-platform library catalog. With these building blocks in place, you can start developing robust, feature-rich apps today, just like the teams already shipping Compose multi-platform apps to production. Apps that feel truly native. Smooth native behavior is what iOS user expects. And notice, Compose multi-platform for iOS focuses on getting the details right, so apps feel similar and responsive on the platform. Scrolling behavior that matches native iOS physics. Text editing with native selection and right to left support. Drag and drop interaction with the system. Adaptive UI that respects system settings like font size and contrast. Navigation gestures that feel natural to iOS users. Staying true to the core Kotlin multi-platform philosophy, Compose multi-platform continues to bring together the best of native and cross-platform development. The 1.8.0 release introduces further improvements to interop with SwiftUI and UIKit, allowing you to seamlessly embed Compose in an existing app or incorporate native views into a Compose screen. This approach supports gradual adoption and gives you full control over how and where you share code. Performance that ready for production. A great user experience comes down to more than just UI behavior, it's about performance too. Smooth responsive interactions are key to user satisfaction. That's why performance was a core focus throughout this stabilization effort. With 1.8.0, startup time is comparable to native apps, so your first frame arrives just as fast. Scrolling behavior is on par with SwiftUI even on high refresh rate devices. Compose multi-platform adds only 9 MB to the size of an iOS app compared to a fully native SwiftUI app with same UI logic and assets. And most importantly, this matches what developers are saying in practice. According to our latest survey, over 96% of teams using Compose multi-platform on iOS report no major performance concerns. Development tools that boost your efficiency to make building Compose multi-platform apps faster, smoother and more enjoyable. We are actively improving the KMP tooling. A new KMP plugin is coming soon for both IntelliJ IDEA and Android Studio. Besides features for writing common logic, it will bring support for Compose previews in common code and tools for managing resources. Even more exciting, Compose Hot Reload is already available. It lets you make changes to your UI code and see the results instantly without restarting the app or losing the current state. It intelligently reloads code as you work, making UI iteration faster and smoother than ever. Production ready and easy to adopt. Compose multi-platform for iOS now give you the full package: stable APIs, great performance, a native feel and modern tooling. Your users will feel right at home with the UI, while your team will notice the difference. Fewer bugs, less duplicated work and faster delivery across platform. And best of all, you don't need to start from scratch. Many teams including Marcas, Reich, Ferris and Physics Wala are already integrating Compose multi-platform in large-scale apps, one screen or features at a time. It fits into your workflow and grows with your needs. Compose multi-platform for iOS stable. The ecosystem is thriving. The tools are ready, and now we can't wait to see the apps that you will build. Compose multi-platform beyond mobile. Compose multi-platform for web is also evolving rapidly with 1.8.0. The navigation library now supports browser back and forward buttons, making web app feel more native. Developers can now also experiment with pointer cursor customization and resource preloading APIs, which help reduce layout shift and improve perceived performance. These updates bring Compose multi-platform for web one step closer to providing a polished production-ready experience. You can learn more about our vision and plans for Kotlin web development in the upcoming post, the present and future of Kotlin for the web. Stay tuned. So here are read more documents. If you feel free to read them. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.